Okay, good morning, my dear class. Thank you so much for watching our previous video. And today we will be learning about multiplication. And I hope you will understand and you will learn from me today. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Okay, now, good morning, everybody. Good morning, Namo. Good morning. Say good morning to your friends now. Good morning. Very good. Thank you. Now let's start. Let me share to you my screen. Here we go. So it's time for math. I hope everybody is ready to answer. Here we go. My name is Teacher Guapo and I'm your math teacher in this class, grade 3 STP class. Okay, are you ready? This boy is ready or not? I hope everybody is ready to answer and to learn new lesson. Now, this is the book that we are using, mathematics textbook for grade 3, and we are now in chapter 3, right? We are now in chapter 3. And in this chapter, we will be learning in page 33. We will start in page 33, which is about multiplication of a 1-digit number by a 3-digit number. So 1-digit number, we will multiply into 3-digit number. When we say multiply, that means times, okay? Times. When you were in grade 1, in grade 2, you learned already what multiplication is all about. Or if we still have time, we can learn also the letter B, okay, the subtopic B about multiplication of 1-digit number by a 4-digit number. So we will try to do it 2 topics today. So multiplication, we are now in chapter 3. There are 3 rows of macarons. This is called macarons. So on a tray, and in each row, there are 5 macarons. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 3 rows, 1, 2, 3 rows, and each row has 5 macarons. So the question here is how many macarons are there all together on the tray? So if we count here 5, another 5, another 5. So that is 5 times 3, right? 5 times 3. 5 macarons, and there are 3 rows. So the answer is 15. Now here, let's try to do this one. Multiplying a 1-digit number by 100, by 200, by 300, by up to 900. Okay, up to 900. So as you can see here, 1 and then 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, right? Now, here we go. Now, in your book, you can see there on page 34. Turn your book on page 34. Samsipsi. Okay, 34. Page 34. You will see there the example of 2 times 100. So as you can see there, 2 times 100, that means you have to write 2 100. And 100 here plus another 100. So there are 2 100s. So 2 times 100, we write here 100 plus 100 is equals to 200. Here again, another one. So 4 times 600. So we will write here 4 600s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 600. So we will add 600 plus 600 plus 600 plus 600. So if we will add these 2 numbers, that 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equals to, what's the answer? It's equals to 24, and then we will just add 2 0 here. So 0, 0. So 24 or 2,400. Now here, always remember, okay? You need to remember all the time that when we are multiplying a number by 100, by 200, 300, up to 900, you have to multiply the number by 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you will add 2 zeros at the end of the product, okay? As you can see here. So for example here, okay, 9 times 100. So you will multiply 9 times 1. So 9 times 1, what is times in Thai? Times แปลว่าอะไรครับ Can you tell me? Number 31 from 3/4. Number 31, what is times in Thai? Can you unmute your microphone and tell your friends? Times แปลว่าอะไรครับ times means คน right? I'm not sure, but I heard that multiplication or times means คูณ okay? Times, okay? Times. So 9 times 1 is equals to 9, right? 9 times 1 is equals to 9. So we will write number 9 here, okay? So we will just write here number 9. 9 times 1 is 9, right? So if we multiply these two number, 9 times 1 is equals to 9. And then we will write 2 zeros here, okay? How many zeros? 1, 2. So we will write here 0 and another 0, okay? Another 0. So 9 times 1 is 9, right? And then we will put 2 0 here. So that's how easy it is, okay? 9 times 1 is 9, and then we will just put 0, okay? Now, another one. Let's try another one here. Okay, here we go, okay? Just like that. So 900, let me erase first. And then we will proceed to another example. Here we go. Another example here is 3 times 400. 3 times 400. Now, if we multiply 3 and 4, okay, if we multiply these two number, okay, 3 times 4, what is the answer? 3 times 4 is, how about Natapong? We will ask Natapong. Natapong, number 47 from 3/5. 3 times 4, what is your answer? 3 times 4 is? 3 times 4. So 3 times 4 like 4, another plus 4, okay, plus 4. So 3 times 4 is? 3 times 4 is? What's the answer? 3 times 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4. Natapong? Are you finished? 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equals to, who can help? Can you help Om? 3 times 4. 12. Oh, very good. 3 times 4 is 12. Thank you, So 4 plus 4 is 8, right? 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 4. So 8 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Very good. So we will write here number 12. Now, if we will write number 12 here, you can see 2 zeros here, right? 1 0, 2 0. So we write here 0 and another 0. So therefore, the answer is 1, 2, 3, comma. So the answer here is 1,200. Okay, so just if you will see here zeros, just multiply into 3 times 4 is 12 and then add 2 0. Here, 9 times 1 is 9 and then put 2 0. So that's why 8, this is 900. Okay, another example here. Okay, that's the answer here in this question. Now 6 times 500. So we will just multiply. Okay, we will just multiply 6 and 5. Now I want to ask okay, Lalita Pat, Rita, 6 times 5 is 6 and 5. 6 times 5. Again, please.
6,000.
Sorry, I'm asking 6 times 5. 6 times 5 is equals to, that is
30.
Oh, 30. Thank you. Okay. So 6 times 5 is 30. Very good. The answer is 30. That's correct. So we will just write here 30, right? Right here, 30. And then we will just add 20 here. So 0, 0. Okay. So we will just put there the 0. So that the answer is 3,000. Thank you, Rita. Okay, so that's it. Okay. So we will just multiply the first two numbers if the ending of the numbers are 0. So the answer here, 6 times 5, Rita says that it's 30. 6 times 5 is 30. So we just put 20 here. 30 and then 2 zeros is equal to 3,000. Thank you, Rita. Okay, now here, we are now in multiplying without regrouping or without renaming. Okay, we will rename, we will not rename the numbers. Let's say, for example, now in your book, you will see there 132 times 2. Okay, 132 times 2. Now, if we multiply, we will need to use the steps on how to do it. Step number 1. Okay, because a while ago the numbers are ends with 0, right? Now here you can see here the number is 132, 132. This is not only 100. If 100, it's very easy. 2 times 1, it's easy. But now there is another numbers here. Okay, different numbers. So step number 1 here, we need to identify the ones, tens, and hundreds. So as you can see here, 132, 2 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place, 1 is in hundreds place. So 1, 3, 2. Okay, 132 times 2. So we write times or symbol of times or multiplication. Now, always remember that when we multiply, we need to start in ones place. Now, if we will multiply the 2 times 2, okay, we will multiply the ones. 2 times 2 is equals to 4, right? So we will just write number 4 here. Now, if we are finished in ones place, we can proceed to step number 2, okay? Step number 2. In step number 2, we will start in tens place because ones place is finished. 2 times 2 is 4. Now, tens place, 3 times 2. Now, 3 times 2, or we will multiply the tens place. So 2 times 3 is equals to, or 2 times 3 or 3 times 2 is okay. Now, tell me your answer. We will ask Namo. Namo, can you tell us your answer? 3 times 2 or 2 times 3? Namo, hello. 2 times 3, Namo. What is your answer? 2 times 3 is?
5.
So 3 times 2 or 2 times 3 is 6. So we will just write 6 in tens place. Okay, 6 tenths. Now let's proceed in step number 3. Now step number 3. Okay, step number 3. Now here in step number 3, we will multiply numbers in hundreds place. Okay, numbers in hundreds place. Now who wants to answer here in step number 3? 1 times 2. Who can tell me the answer? We will ask Patika. Patika Hanchaipa. Now 1 times 2 is? What is your answer? 1 times 2. 1 times 2.
2.
Okay, thank you. 1 times 2 is 2, right? If you multiply the numbers in hundreds place, so we will multiply 2 and 1 or 1 and 2. So if we will write, if the answer is 2, so we will write number 2 in hundreds place. So the answer here, 132 times 2 is 264. Very easy, right? Just like when you were in grade 2. So you learned this already. Now here, we will multiply numbers with regrouping. Okay, we need to regroup. Example, 276 times 3. 276 times 3. Step number 1. The same in numbers without regrouping. Okay, we will start in ones place, and then in tens place, and then in hundreds place. Now we will ask student from 3/5. Number 25. Now 6 times 3. Can you tell us your answer? 6 times 3.
8.
6 times 3 is 8. 6 times 3, that means that is if we will use like this, 3 times 6 or 6 times 3 is like 6 plus 6 plus 6. What's the answer? 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equals to
18.
18. Very good. So your answer is 18. Now if your answer is 18, we cannot write number 18 here, right? We cannot write 18 here. No, cannot be. So what we need to do is we need to regroup. Okay, we need to regroup. How to regroup it? Okay, now if we will multiply, 6 times 3 is 18. Thank you, your answer is correct. Multiply the ones, and then 3 times 6 is equals to 18. So what we need to do is we need to regroup number 18. So number 18 has 8 ones, right? So we need to write 8 ones here, 8 here, and then 110 in tens place. We will write here 110. Do you understand? Again, 6 times 3 is equals to 18, right? So write number 18 here, or number 8, and write number 1 in the tens place. Now, if we are done this already, we proceed to step number 2. Step number 2 is 7 times 3. Who can answer? 7 times 3. Anyone? 7 times 3? 7 times 3 is 7 plus 7 plus 7. 7 times 3. Anyone? 7 plus 7 plus 7. Anyone from the class? 7 plus 7 plus 7. Anyone from the class? Nobody? We will ask Rita again. Oh, Rita, 7 plus 7 plus 7 is? Because we are now in tens place.
มันได้เท่าไหร่7 3 21
21.
Okay, thank you. 21, right? So your answer is equals to 21. Thank you. But always remember that we carry 110 from 6 times 3, right? We have 1 here. So 7 plus 7 plus 7 is 21 plus 1. We need to add 1 here plus 1 because we have 110 here. Okay, so if we will multiply this, the answer here is 21 plus 1, and that is equals to 22. So 22, we need to regroup again, same in ones place. So we need to regroup. We need to put 2 tens here and another 2 in hundreds place. So we will write number 2 here. Okay, so that's it. So 22, 2 tens and 2 hundreds. Okay, now we proceed to step number 3. Step number 3 here is we will just multiply the 2 hundreds from 3. 2 times 3 or 3 times 200. So if we will multiply these two numbers, it will give us an answer of 600, right? 600. And then you remember or don't forget that we have 200s here. So 600s plus 200s is equals to 8. So we will write 8 in here. Okay, do you understand? 6 times 3 is 18. Write 1 8 in ones place, and then 1 10 in tens place. And then 7 times 3 is 22. So plus 7 times 3 is 21 plus 1 become 22. So write 2 and write number 2 in hundreds place. Next, 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2 is equals to 8. So we have the answer of 828, right? Very easy. Now, this time, everybody get your book and let us answer these exercises. Be ready? I'll be calling your name to answer some questions. Okay, everybody, pencils up. Okay, are you finished, August? Page 36?
เหลืออีก5 ข้อครับคุณครู
Okay. Now, number 1. Kindly check your answer in number 1. It's very easy, right? 300 times 5, you will just multiply 3 times 3, right? If we will multiply 3 and 3, this number, 3 times 5, okay? 3 times 5 is equals to, it's just like 5 plus 5 plus 5, right? So 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equals to 15, right? Equals to 15. So we will just write 15 and then we will just add 1, 0. So the answer here is equals to 1,500. Is your answer correct? That number 1, is your answer correct? The answer in number 1 is 1,500. Number 2. Number 2, 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6. So what is your answer? Anyone from the class? August? Where is August? I want to see August because August is already finished in number 2. Oh, anyone from the class? How about Kasim? Kasim, number 45. Are you finished? Who is finished? Raise your hand, please. Number 2. Who wants to answer number 2? Number 2. Rita is finished. Number 2. Who is finished in number 2? What is your answer in number 2, Rita?
ข้อ2คำตอบคือ
Go, Rita. Number 2.
600
And
86
okay, 686 is correct. Very good. Thank you, Rita. Okay, number 3. Number 3. Who wants to answer number 3? It's very easy. 1 times 4, 2 times 4, 1 times 4. Okay. Who can answer? Raise your hand. Okay, number 25 from 3/4. What is your answer in number 3? Can you tell me your answer, or can you tell us your answer in number 3? Number 3, who can answer number 3? Number 31 from 3/4. Number 31 from 3/4. Can you tell us your answer? What is your answer?
So, 400
and
84.
Oh, 484 is correct. Thank you. Very good. You know how to multiply numbers now. How about in number 4? Number 4. Number 4, 826 times 3. This one we need to regroup here. So 6 times 3 is 18. Write 8 here in one's place. 1 in the top of. Okay, now letter C. I mean number 4. The answer here in number 4 is. The answer here is 2,478. 2,478. Number 5, 1,638. 1,638. Number 6. Number 6, 4,832. 4,832. Number 7. Tanacha, what is your answer, Tanacha, in number 7? Tanacha is finished? Not yet? It's okay. Now, number 7, the answer here is 1,530. Tanacha, what is your answer in number 8? Your number 8. Do you have an answer, number 8? Can you tell us? Number 8. What is your answer, number 8? 364 times 9. Unmute your microphone and tell us your answer if you have it. Number 8, 364 times 9 is 3,276. 3,276. Okay, everybody, pencils up. Pencils up, finish already. Okay, thank you. How about here? Page 38. Page 38. Oh, number 1. Rita, what is your answer?
อะไรอ่ะพี่เจ้ถามข้อไหน
Number 1. 2,000
62
times 6.
12,000 12,000
Okay, thank you.
ฮะไม่มี200
Not 200 because it's 0. So we will just multiply 2 and 6, right? 2 times 6 is 12. So 6 and 6. So 6 plus 6 is 12. And then we will just put 3 zeros here, right? So we will just put 3 zeros. So 2 times 6 is 12. And then 0, 0, 0, right? 3 zeros here, okay? Now, number 2. Number 2, we will just multiply the same in number 1. With number 1, we just multiply 2 and 6 because it is automatic 0. So here, number 2, 5 times 3. So that is 5 plus 5 plus 5. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15, right? So 15, and then we will just put 3 zeros. So that is 15,000. Okay? 15,000. Number 3. Very easy because number is very small. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 1 times 2 is 2. Therefore, the answer is 2,842. Here, number 4. Number 4 is very easy. Who wants to answer number 4? Anyone? Number 4. Number 4. Raise your hand for number 4. Who wants to answer number 4? August. August, number 4. Page 38. Can you tell us your answer?
326 รู้
Go, August. That is 2,221 times
6,663
and 63.
3.
Wow, very good. Thank you. Thank you, August.
With my
Wow.
teacher.
So just like this. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. Very easy, right? Now, number 5. Number 5. Who can answer number 5? Number 5. Let me find here first. Can you tell us your answer? 3. Number 5, that is 1,212 times 4. If you know the answer, you can tell me your answer. If you know the answer, just tell me your answer. Just open your microphone or unmute your microphone. Okay. What is your answer? Number 5.
4,848.
Wow, very good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So the answer here is The answer here is very easy. It's 4,848. How about number 6? Number 6.
10,838.
Okay, thank you. Now in number 6, the answer here is 18,728. 18,728. How about in number 7? Number 7. Number 7. If you know the answer, you can unmute your microphone, okay? Go. Do you know the answer? Unmute your microphone and tell us your answer. What's your answer? Number 7 is
เราอ่านด้วยภาษาอังกฤษอ่ะ 35,000 อ่ะ
30,000. Again, 30,000. Say it. 30,000. Okay, just unmute your microphone, okay? If you know the answer, you can unmute your microphone and tell us your answer.
13,583.
Okay, 30,000. 30 is 30. 30,583. Very good. How about in number 8? In number 8 is 35,725. Number 6. Number 6, 43,504. Okay. 43,504. And number 10. Number 10. The answer here is 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 6 is 18. So just carry 1. So the answer here is 25,080. 25,080. Number 11. 19,012. 19,012. Number 11. Number 12. Who can give me the answer in number 12? Anyone from the class? Number 12. Raise your hand. Who can give me the answer in number 12? 10, 9, 8, 7. Just multiply 4 times 3, 4 times 6, 4 times 1, 4 times 7. So number 12 is dun, 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 dun. Who can give the answer in number 12? Okay. Okay, now tell me your answer. iPhone. What is your answer? Number 12? Again. Go. Okay. Tell me your answer. Do you have an answer already, right? Number 12. What is your answer, iPhone? Nobody? Number 12. Where is August? I'm looking for August. How about number 34 from 3/6? Number 34 from 3/6. Can you tell us your answer? Number 12, tell us your answer. Do you have an answer in number 12?
28.
Okay.
52.
Again, please. 28,000.
20,000.
28,000. Okay.
652.
Okay, thank you so much. What is your name? Can you tell me your name?
Yumpu Singyong
Oh, your nickname, please. How about your nickname? What is your nickname?
Gavin.
Okay, thank you, thank you. Okay, so 28,652. Thank you so much. He's a good boy. Okay, thank you so much. I hope everybody's finished. Everybody, pencils up. Okay, thank you. And hope everybody is finished. Thank you for listening and see you next meeting. Okay. Bye-bye. You can say goodbye to your friends now. Okay. See you next Monday.
Bye-bye.
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 See you. Okay.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.